Understanding deck beam, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English language learning easy and fun. In today's video, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, deck beam. Whether you're a beginner or looking to expand your vocabulary, this video is for you. Let's dive in and discover what deck beam really means. A deck beam is a term often used in architecture and shipbuilding. It refers to a horizontal beam that supports the deck of a ship or a bridge. Imagine it as the backbone that helps to hold up the surface you walk on a ship or a bridge. Understanding this term is crucial for those interested in engineering, construction, or maritime contexts. In this section, let's break down the phrase into two parts, deck and beam. 1. Deck. This part refers to the flat surface you stand on, like the floor of a ship or a bridge. 2. Beam. This is a long, sturdy piece of wood or metal used in construction to support weight. When combined, deck beam signifies a beam that specifically supports a deck. It's important to recognize these individual components to grasp the full meaning of the term. Let's put deck beam into some sentences to see how it's used in context. 1. The carpenters worked diligently to repair the deck beams of the old ship. 2. During the bridge tour, the guide explained how the deck beams were crucial for stability. These examples help you understand how deck beam is used in everyday language, particularly in specific professional fields. To further expand your vocabulary, here are some related terms. Hull, the main body of a ship. Mast, a tall vertical pole on a ship that supports the sails. Joist, similar to a beam, but typically used in the context of buildings to support floors or ceilings. Understanding these terms can give you a broader knowledge of architectural and nautical language. Great job on reaching the end of our video. Today, you've learned about what a deck beam is, its significance, and how to use it in sentences. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in your English learning journey. Don't forget to practice using deck beam in your own sentences, and stay tuned for more interesting lessons. Happy learning!